Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Lily Creation. So this is a DIY cardboard bungalow, and I'm sure you just too much excited to have the entire procedure of it, right? So let's not waste any time and watch the video till end. And if you like the video, then please hit like and do subscribe our channel if not already done. Okay, stay with us. Let's start. Take this type of cardboard boxes of different size. Cut them. To give a heart shape. Use a thermocol sheet for the base part. You can cut it or just fix it with glue. Like this. Add glue and fix the other boxes too. The small one, fix it too. Cut it gradually when you need. Same way, just paste it right there. You need to fix all the boxes. Add the roof part to it. You can use glue gun too. Cut small pieces of cardboard. To add more designs like this. Add those to the roof part. Roll newspaper. Of small sizes. Cut the door and windows like this using a paper cutter. Fix those newspaper sticks using a strong glue. To add designs to the bungalow. cut the extra part. Now fix the small pieces of cardboard to the door and windows too. Thus it will look like real. Now the time is to paint the bungalow. You can just add white color to it for base part or any other light color. I am using yellow. Paint it all over. You need to give 2 or 3 coats. Now add more colors wherever you want. You can use 2 or 3 colors or just a single one as you wish. I am using green over the yellow and now purple. Then just give a finish using black or white outliner. I have bought this type of LED candles from Amazon. You can buy it from Flipkart or any other sites. I have cut the back part and just fix those candles to there. Now it's ready and it is looking like a beautiful one, you can see. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.